Hey, this is Dave with JCB Academy. Here today we're talking about foreign vehicles, and here we have a Kia Optima 2002. Typically these converters come with 3 of a set. You can see here that it's been dismantled off the motor block, and you have one sitting here. And if you come over here, guys, you can see that you want to definitely get on one knee, take a look at the vehicle when purchasing it from a customer and how the converter was cut right here, and all you have is the exhaust manifold. Typically on these Kia Optimas this particular year, cats go anywhere between $300 up to $700. You heard me right? That's correct. So based on what you're paying the customer per vehicle, you definitely want to check the catalytic converter systems and make sure it's original. And also we have an app that shows you the 98% accuracy of what the catalytic converters pay before you even purchase the vehicle, so you will know when you're looking at it. You can just plug the numbers in, you know what they pay. You can buy it at that price point, anywhere between $300 up to $500. You shouldn't have to pay that much more for a vehicle unless it's a newer model vehicle, unless it's running and driving. You can put it in the auction, put it on Facebook Marketplace, turn around, resell it, or sell it to a broker or a local mechanic shop that you may know of, right? And here you have the most popular vehicle out of the bunch. You have the Toyota Prius 2002. Of course, it's been demolished, but on these particular vehicles here, these catalytic converters on this Toyota Prius, of course, you can tell it's been cut right here. Typically, when rhodium was up to $27,000 an ounce, these particular catalytic converters were going anywhere between $2,500 up to $5 grand for the whole set. Same day, cash out, sell it to a core buyer. That's right. And here you have a Mercedes-Benz M320. I want to say this is a 2001 model. These typically come with 4 converters. You have your standard, then you have your 2 foreigns that sit on the bottom of them as well. Right here, you can see the exhaust manifold pipe, and you can tell that it's been cut from there to there. Typically, depending on the numbers, they go anywhere between $700 up to $1,500 per set. Again, we have an app that shows you what the catalytic converters pay and how to source them, and we can get you local core buyers in your local area as well. And here, we're going to walk through some vehicles here. There's another Kia Optima. This is probably, I want to say, a 2007 model. They typically still go pretty good for pricing. And of course, you have a difference between your aluminum, your steel, and steel wheels typically don't pay anything, right? And this is a hubcaps, and of course you can see the wheels are bad on that particular vehicle here. Oh, sorry about that, y'all. And of course you can tell that the catalytic converter's been cut from the bottom, going up all the way to the manifold block to the top right here, right? But typically any vehicle that's here has been cut off, especially if it's a domestic vehicle and a foreign, and your big truck vehicles as well. And depending on how you price the vehicles is what they typically pay per 100 pounds when you go into a customer home. Hey, this is Dave signing off, and we'll see you on the other side with other vehicles, the big trucks.